Okay, guys, today is November 18, 2025. There is a buy side liquidity playing out on Euro USD. So I know many of you are trying to where is the buy side liquidity? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you are going to know what is called a buy side liquidity and how to trade it effectively. The hidden buy side liquidity. You know that many people like the pronounced one. So I'm going to talking about the hidden buy side liquidity and the pronounced one. So guys, let's go to the whiteboard. Let me show you what the buy side liquidity is all about. Now, let's say, for example, you have a market that is going to the upper side, forming a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then automatically this market form a higher low, form a high, then boom, form another low. Now, this market has given us two equal high here. Now, these two equal high, according to retail trader, if they see two equal high, or you see a trend line that is like moving to the upper side, if they see two, so my lord, if they see two trend line like this, the third one, they will want to buy here, that's what is happening here. So once they see these two equal highs, a retail trader, they will want to okay, this market is going to sell when it comes to this point again. So they will begin to put their sell orders, their sell limit order, and they will put their stop loss here. Their stop loss will be above here. Now, this stop loss, let's say the stop loss they have here, let me say is $20,000. Let's say, for example, the stop loss is $20,000. So what the market maker will do is that they will come to this place, to this high here, and begin to range, and begin to range. Now, what they are going to do is that they will use, let's say they will use $100,000 to buy this market from this retail trader and buy the market from here and close their sell limit order here and their stop loss. They will buy with 100,000 because we have a $20,000 here. So they will buy with $100,000 and close their stop loss and collect the money from there because market maker don't use what? Stop loss. So the next thing they will do is that they will come back and come down with an impulsive move to the downward and try to return back to this uh, resistance, but they will not. So they will come and break the structure. After the break of structure, remember that they buy the market from this zone here. So their $100,000 is still what? In a drawdown. So the candle they use and buy this retail trader order, this candle, they will come and what? Mitigate 50% of it so that they can also close their $100,000 buy. I don't know if you're getting me. So that they can also close their $100 buy candle, their $100 buy market. So what they will now do is that they will come back to this place. If they come back here, they will first of all close their $100,000 here, then mitigate 50% of this candle from there, begin to sell down again. So that is the idea behind the buy side liquidity. It also happen on trend line too. You see, if the trend people that are trend line, you see the first one, the first touch, second touch. The market maker know that people will be waiting for this third touch, so they want to buy here. So what they will now do is that, okay, they will say, okay, they can pull back inside, you know. Now, maybe the uh the retail buyers have already put a stop loss of, let me say, maybe like $30,000 here. So what they will now do is that they will use like $200,000 here and sell the market to the downside, removing all the buyers from this trend line so that they can now begin to buy the market to the upper side, then come back to the trend line and continue moving upward. So that is the idea. That is like what they are doing in the market. So who doesn't understand the technical and the wisdom behind it, we fall a prey to the market maker. But we are not a prey because we have knowledge. So guys, let's go to the chart. Let me show you what you need to trade the equal high, what you need to trade the buy side liquidity. Now, what are the things you need to trade this buy side liquidity? First of all, you need equal high. You have to define your equal high. You need equal high. You need equal high. Uh, you need equal high. That's the first thing that you need. The another thing that you need again, you need your BOS, break of structure. Then you need your FTR, which is fail to return. Some people normally call it inducement, fail to return, fail to return. And FTR is I normally call it fail to return, FTR, fail to return. So you already know what it is, fail to return. That's what I call FTR. Then you need your order block. You need your order block. So order block is needed here. You have to identify your order block. So, and then also be aware of your structure, what the market is doing. Know your structure, that is downward or upward, whatsoever it is. So know the structure of the market that you are trading. It's good to understand structure. Another thing again is you have to know about this place is after you have listed all these things out. So we have the fail to return BOS equal high, order block, and structure. So guys, so we are going to be using daily time frame to show you this buy side liquidity or what is going on Euro USD. Now, if you check this place here, let me zoom out a little bit before we go to smaller time frame. You see, we have equal high here. You see an equal high here. This candle and this candle, they are equal. Now, if you also come here, we also have equal high here. Are you seeing the hidden equal high? Know that many of you don't know this one. So you see the equal high here, the equal high that is here, very hidden. Are you seeing it, guys? So we have equal high there, we have equal high here. Look at this candle here, is equal to this one here. So it's just like an equal high. Look at this candle here. Locate your equal high first. You see, it's an equal high here. So the next thing you want to locate is your break of structure. So locate your break of structure here. This is your BOS. This one here. Try to locate your equal high. So locate your break of structure. These are BOS. Okay, BOS located. See, it's the same thing they are playing at the same thing. It's very easy, guys. I can do this all days. Okay, let's go. Now, locate your break of structure here. Now, we have located your break of structure. Remember, we have defined your equal high, BOS. Now, the next thing you want to look out for is your fail to return, which is your FTR. Now, fail to return means that the order block, they need to close 50% of their order block. So the market will try to pull back to go and mitigate the 50%, but it cannot be able to pull back to that place. So because it cannot pull back, it will come and break the structure first. So let's use this one. I just mark now. Now after we are mark our BOS, we are mark our equal high. So the next thing now is we locate our order block and our fail to return. So if you come to 1 hour, this is the 1 hour you really see that fail to return. Now, if you come to 1 hour, this place here will call our FTR. Yeah, this is our FTR. So I call this place FTR. It's always there. People don't see it. FTR. So fail to return. So it failed to return to the order block that caused, because this order block now is in drawdown. So this order block here now is in drawdown because this is the two order block. The user called that the positive move to the upper side. So they have to close 50% of this order block. 50% of the other block is here. So this is the 50% of the other block here. So 50% there is this place. So they try to come back to this place to close their order, but they fail to return because this place now is what we call our order block. So where we are trying to get our entry from. So I call order block. Order block. So this is our order block. So this is our order block here. So this is our fail to return. So what happened? The market finally came here. See, your stop loss could have been here. See, drawdown entry. So stop loss is your entry. Are you seeing it, guys? So we have our break of structure. The same thing also happen here, guys. If you come to this place, this one is our fail to return here. It's always there. So always locate it. Then this is our order block here. Our order block is here. If you check, if you use a trading view to see it, you look at it that there's another block here. So this is another block here. So this other block, what they came to grab here, the same thing is playing now. So where's our TP? Our TP is in this place, guys. So it is very, very easy. guys. It's very, very easy. So, guys, you know, this buy side liquidity is what the market is always playing at every time. It's always playing at. So, in case you need mentorship, you need more teaching and education on this buy side liquidity, we are available. We can teach you how to trade it and you profit from it. So since you have learned from this channel, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. So guys, I love you. Keep learning and keep winning. Okay, keep learning and keep winning. Thank you.